What is going on, you guys? Larry Guitar 1999 on YouTube here. Well, here's the trail. We'll do the run, but I gotta be careful. I finally upgraded this max engine, max durability, and I'm still getting it damaged, which is excellent, right? No, it isn't. Alright, brakes work. No, okay, come on, let's not. Maybe we'll take the motorhome trail. Okay. Talk. I did not ask for that to be damaged. Alright, trailer time. Connect. It's empty anyway. The hauler's not, there's nothing in the trailer. Come on! It's gonna take a lot of flooring, Marge. A whole hell lot of flooring. A whole hell lot of flooring. Oh, if I could only replay that somehow. That section, you saw how it pulled out that wheelie. No, 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 no. What? What am I missing? Alright, reverse. Attach it for a minute. Oh, I'm missing the one on top. I think that's what it is. Yeah. Well, at least I figured out that problem. Oh my gosh. That was too close for comfort. Almost flipping. If you guys enjoying this. Oh my gosh, there goes the wheelie. Slow down, nice and easy. And floor it. No, 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 no. See, it almost pulls off the wheelie, this 4Runner. I'm also thinking I'm going to build a bike next. As soon as I get this done. We're almost to the spot where I was yesterday. No! Why is it seems like I'm always causing damage to the vehicles? I don't know. Oh, we're here. Let's drop off the trailer. Right over here. Quick unload. Come on. crap. What do we got here? Thanks. And, I know people could probably beat my time. On top of that. Brakes, 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 brakes! Yeah. You could tell. Alright. Let's go build the bike. Okay. Yeah, let's go with this. Ah, cock. I used my gold instead of my cash. Oh, well. Alright. Yeah, I might as well go white. That's my alarm to remind me, about work. Yeah. Oh, I can't do writing. That's disappointing. I kinda wish you could, because, Alright. Bring the radius. I want to make the rim 0.9. Actually, screw it. We want it as wide as possible. I mean, look at that. Width. A little bit more width. Radius. Let's go up. Rim. I like 0.8. I like that. 0.8. Up. Width. I think that's the max without rubbing. Okay, I see the bunny video. Travel. Oh, we should do some travel. It looks like I'm broke. Oh, man. This is funny. I know I'm broke. Alright. Well, here's our bike. Or as close as I will get. It didn't have any decals. It had a windshield on here, and I know it had some, guards or whatever, but with the limitations of the game, and plus, but that's the bike. The bike will load up, and I'll probably take, I don't know. Okay, we get Land Rover. I hope you kind of enjoyed this episode. I'm probably going to test the bike off camera, more likely. Unless you guys want to see it. Let me know in the comments. So, here's our bike, and that's our trailer. What do you guys think of the trailer? And if you're wondering what the door is, it's the U.S. flag. That's what I thought. And it worked. And the flag on the side, well, it's an old decal. When she bought the trailer used. And then someone wanted to put tire marks all over it because they didn't want to do burnouts. Here's the old 4Runner. I might give it some more ground clearance, because I need it. Because I'm tired of this bottoming out and hitting that damn bumper. Yeah, we'll make the tires fatter. Put some fatties. Some good old fatties on there. And I'll bring the radius up too. Let's go to 0.12. I got more room. Alright, hope you enjoyed this. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you all in the next one of Legacy 1999 on YouTube. We'll catch you all later.